My name's Tom Tunstall. I'm the owner and rider of Integro Motorsport. We've worked with the Awning Company for over 20 years now. From when we started racing, both myself and as a team, that was with a small kind of Mercedes Sprinter, and then we evolved to a 7.5 ton truck, and now obviously with a 40-foot Arctic, we've kind of used pretty much all the Awning Company have to provide, and without fail, it's been exceptional. Very good quality, very easy to use, and because they are well made, really well made, then we've been through some terrible weather, a whole load of issues, but never had a problem with the awning, really not at all. The service, not only when you kind of get in the quote and are trying to get an understanding of what you actually want and what's the best solution, but also kind of afterwards, if there's any slight kind of issues or repairs, it always really is to sort out, and yeah, as far as I envisaged, we'd always use them, no question really. There is a few kind of manufacturers of awnings, that sort of thing, but there's certainly none as good as the Awning Company. It's pretty straightforward. It is the best quality product in this environment.